Okay, YouTube, MS200t, and last video ran into the issue of getting the this plate seated around the manifold, and after sleeping on it, I came up with sandpaper. One of the viewers suggested a Dremel, which is a good idea, but I was afraid that that would take off too much plastic. And so what I did was I used some regular 80 grit on the inside surface, and then followed it up with wet dry 220 to smooth it out, so that, you know, as I was trying to push it on that rubber, that, you know, it didn't catch. And then this is the stuff I use. There are other things that you can use that make it slicker, sort of like Astroglide, if you know what I mean. And so in any case, it's not down all the way, but it's real close. In fact, I'd say that's probably good enough. And I know whenever I'd take it off to sand it more and then put it back on, it felt more normal. So and we're going to know more Friday, because I ordered a used one of these, because I want to understand you know, what's in the kit, and, you know, I want everybody to see what to expect, you know, to make sure you got sandpaper, or, you know, hey, get a used or a new OEM, you know, just whatever it takes to work. Because all I had was, you know, common sense and, you know, just elimination to, you know, to get where we are. So I feel strongly that this is the issue. And as you can see, we'll take off and finish this on Friday, okay? But this is good news. It means the sky is not falling.